So in order to eradicate the true spiritual beings, what did they do? They cloned the spiritual beings. You know, they removed the YPs, they removed the Rashad Jamal, they removed the the spiritual souls and the Ralph Smarts and even the Rod Hayes and the Terry Wisdoms and the Isis Wisdoms and some of these people that was really doing it to do it to actually help spread spiritual enlightenment, to help the evolution of the planet, to help us evolve spiritually. You know what I'm saying? And now it's like it's all about, they have commercialized this shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, they commercialized it because it's their way of controlling it, right? And they didn't clone me physically, or they didn't clone the teachers physically. They can't do that. And they didn't clone the students. But what they did was they cloned our blueprint, right? And a lot of people that's on their true spiritual journey, y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all can literally look at what's going on right now. You can tell that the entire spirituality has been commercialized. Now everybody want locks and they ain't even on their journey. You know what I'm saying? They getting locks to make it appear like they're on their journey. They monetizing crystals, they monetizing speeches, they monetizing everything is done for $1 value. Everything is being commercialized. See what I'm saying? Everything is being commercialized. You know what I'm saying? Like, I remember being kicked off IG for going live since the information was just that pure. You know what I'm saying? I got off my whole first Instagram page taken away because the information was just that real and that pure. I got kicked off Facebook for the information being that real and that pure. I remember being suspended from going live on YouTube for the information being that pure. You know what I'm saying? I remember when YP had his entire YouTube channel deleted. It almost half a million subscribers because the information he was giving was that pure. You know what I'm saying? Had his Instagram accounts deleted because the information he was giving was that pure. Rod Hayes was getting kicked off Instagram lives, and he didn't have multiple Instagram accounts deleted because the information was that pure. You know what I'm saying? I remember when Spiritual Soul was dropping videos once in a few weeks. The information was too pure. He had to start dropping it once every 6 months, then once a year. Like, see what I'm saying? Now into the content creators, you know what I'm saying? Where the content creators, they don't know what it's like to lose an Instagram page. They don't know what it's like to lose a YouTube channel. You lose an entire TikTok account. You know what I'm saying? Because they kicking pure information. Why? Because this shit has been cloned. They have cloned the community. So all the true students have been replaced with fake students. All the true teachers have been replaced with clone replica teachers. You know what I'm saying? And that's what's going on right now out there in the community, man. You feel what I'm saying? To the point where now when you do get real students that's trying to find their way along their spiritual journey, they don't know where to go. They confused. You see so much chaos and people beefing in each other amongst the so-called spiritual community. This ain't rap beef. You know what I'm saying? How can you call yourself a child of the Most High? How can you say, hey, you here to spread divine love and peace, but you attacking your own black brother, your own black sister because you feel like they give a different download than you, or you don't like the way they get a download, or there's no reason that no content creator and no form of fashion, or anybody that's teaching spirituality, anybody that claim they so for those that are being oppressed, be attacking someone that's oppressed. We supposed to be unified, man. You know what I'm saying? We supposed to be unified, standing in unison against the true oppressors, man. You know what I'm saying? We supposed to be standing against evil, man. Standing against bigotry. Standing against injustice. Standing against the defamation of our character, the defamation and dilapidation of our culture. We should be meditating 3 times a day. See what I'm saying? How many people out there still meditating? How many people honestly know how to meditate? But they'll post a picture like they meditating. They'll put some crystals on, grow their locks out, you know what I'm saying? And next thing you know, they got crystals for sale on their page, but they can't tell you nothing for real about the crystals. They go to Google to get their information. They're not going within. You see what I'm saying? Why isn't it that every single content creator is pushing the message in spirituality? Why are they not all following each other? Why are they not all supporting each other? Why is so much division? Because they have cloned the spiritual community, man. See, they don't have to clone us individually. They can just clone the idea, and now they control it. Replace the real divine teachers with puppets and teachers that are being controlled. You know? So division. You know, and they tried that with me and YP, and we had a little disagreement. He said something on live one time, and I responded one time, and then the internet took it and blew it out of proportion. See what I'm saying? That was infiltration right there. Then they was able to work voodoo on YP and gain control of his mind to completely turn him against me, to completely think I'm his enemy, to completely think, you see what I'm saying? Okay, then they locked me up. Did he ever go back to the old YP? No, he still stayed lost. Under spell work like they did the Moors, man. Peace to the gods and goddesses of the planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibration human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click, the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media. Use the hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.